Good morning, my lovely. So today is the day I'm going to have my jawline fillers done. I am really excited because I don't know, I'm more excited about talking to her about all these things. I'm just so interested and so amazed what they can do with fillers. I'm sure you have seen people having filler nose job, so if you have any bumps they can even out your nose, make it more turned up just with fillers. So I find it so fascinating. Yes, so like I said, I hope she will maybe let me film a bit of it. I'm not sure, like I said, I've never been to her before and I don't know her personally, so we will see. If not, I will see you afterwards and tell you of my experience. So again, just to show you what I'm thinking of doing is, can you see I started going a bit jowly here? So I've got this little jowl, so I think they can fill up that dip and also put a bit in my chin. As you can see, I've got quite receding chin. I've got very short chin, so yeah, I would like to elongate it. Hopefully it won't look like a witch. But yeah, oh golly, stick on my teeth. Okay, my lovely, so hopefully I see you very soon. Okay, my lovely, so it has been a change of plan. I didn't have my fillers done. Shortly after I spoke to you, she messaged me that her boys were not well. She's got 2 small children and could I come tomorrow? So I'm going tomorrow. So I don't know if I will include this in this video or maybe I do totally separate video all about the fillers. But while I'm here, I wanted to say big thank you to a few of my subscribers who sent me cards, birthday cards and some gifts. I was so touched. So I got, this is so funny, from Wendy, this card. You know that liberating feeling you get when you finally unhook your bra at the end of a long day? Yes, I do know, Wendy. And she sent me a lovely gift. Vineyards Indulgent Socks. And sock message: if you can read this, bring me some wine. Oh, it's so lovely. Oh, they're lovely. Oh, they have the sticky, is that what it says on there? Oh, that's so brilliant. Oh my God, I know what I'm gonna do tonight. I am going to sit on my sofa with my feet up, wearing these socks that say, if you can read this, bring me some wine. Thank you, Wendy, that is so sweet. And thank you for your lovely message in my card. That is just so sweet, girls, honestly. Then I got a card: be bright, be beautiful, be fabulous and full of fun. I got a birthday card and a letter from Kathy. Thank you so much, Kathy. Thank you for your wonderful letter. You don't know how much those words mean to me. Then I got a lovely card from Crystal from Estonia. Thank you so much. And I got Sleeping Beauty pillow, which is a cooling silk eye pillow with amaranth seeds. It feels so lovely. Look at that. It's all silk and it's got amaranth seeds on it. That is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Crystal. Never been to Estonia. That is just so beautiful. And also I wanted to say big thank you to Jan. First of all, Jan, can I say you've got the neatest, most beautiful writing I've ever seen in my life. It's just beautiful. I'm not gonna read your letter because I don't know if you would want me to or not, but it was a beautiful letter. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you enjoy my videos and my channel, and like I'm gonna say again, that means so much to me. And look at this beautiful card. Isn't that gorgeous? And Jan sent me Laura Mercier mineral powder in classic beige, so thank you so much. You know, that is like my holy grail, so I don't care how many I have, it will never go to waste. Thank you so much. Oh, Jan also sent me a screenshot of I think this is her granddaughter, that after seeing my video she started using the Physico sorry about my dog, Physico eyelash serum, and her eyelashes are amazing, so that's great. By the way, I've put my fake tan on, that Be Bold. It's a really nice color, but you know, I'm gonna wait to see how it wears off and everything, and once I've tested a few times I will tell you more about it, but I really like the color of it. Okay, so these were my gifts. Okay, now let me show you some things that I also received in my PO box. First of all, I got something from Tranquillity Skincare. So thank you, Sophie, for sending those. Do you remember, I've talked to you about it in my video, Have I Had a Plastic Surgery, that this cream that I've discovered all these years ago, and the Banish Puffy Eye Cream, and this was the first cream that made a difference to my eyes. And so she sent me one of those, and she sent me also the new product, which is a Platinum Bee Venom Serum with Platinum, Bee Venom and Matrixol 3000. So they use Matrixol 3000 in all of their products, which is the multi-peptide. I don't think I've ever used any product with the bee venom, but you know, they do use them in a lot of products. So it says the ultimate luxury in anti-aging, a silky skin perfecting concentrate serum to redensify, rejuvenate and revitalize the skin. Contains precious platinum, the premium and ultra luxury high performance anti-wrinkle peptide, Bee Venom and Matrixol 3000 that works in synergy to help minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles, keeping the skin looking younger and healthy. Oh, and it also has vitamin C in it, so yeah, I'm going to try it. Thank you so much. I also been sent this, and I've never heard of it. I never knew that they were sending me this, and it's from Voila Beauty. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it. And they have sent me the serum foundation, and they've sent me quite a few colors, so I will be able to try it. Let's have a look at it. It says, our formula has a unique serum-like texture and includes only high-quality ingredients, treated pigments, and our bioactive complex of clinically and dermatologist-tested ingredients. With continued use, you will notice how the bioactive complex actually helps to improve your skin tone and texture. So this is foundation with skincare ingredients in it. It says, because the formula is very fluid, all shades look much lighter in their wet state and as swatches. The true color shows upon full application and waiting about 1 minute to set. So I don't know if that means that it oxidizes a bit. Okay, so I am going to try this foundation. Oh, thank you. So I'm definitely going to try it. I have a shade 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I am going to try it and I shall tell you more about it. Oh, it comes in a lovely glass bottle with a pump. Let me squeeze that. Okay, so this is the shade 3. Looks very light. Mind you, I've got fake tan on. But let's just rub it in and see. It feels very nice. see if it oxidizes. I mean, that is ridiculous on my hand. It's like black and white. I don't see it going much darker, maybe a bit. Anyway, I will have to try it, and then, like I said, if I like it, I will tell you more about it. Okay, my lovely, so that's all I wanted to show you today. Like I said, when I've had my fillers done, depends how much I manage to film. I might include it in this video, or I will do separate video, but for now that's all. See you later. Good morning, my lovelies. So this morning I thought I'd go to HomeSense. I think I haven't been to HomeSense since last winter. I'm getting a bit excited about Christmas, about decorating. I've got my theme sorted out. You know me, I knew what my color theme would be last year. So, you know how I always shop for Christmas decorations straight after Christmas when they are all on sale. I then decide what I'm going to do next year, and I buy that sort of color. So I don't really need anything. I think I have every color of decorations that you can imagine. But you never know, I might see something cute. And yeah, just like to go and have a little look. It's so freezing today. It's only 5 degrees and I refuse still to wear a coat. I was wearing like crop jeans and like backless loafers, but then I walked out in the garden and I thought, it is a bit cold, so I have ankle boots on, but I so hate winter. I don't like wearing boots and coats. So, but I have my my cashmere jumper on, you know, the one that I've shown you about from Jigsaw. That's really nice and warm and cozy, but not too bulky. And my sunglasses are from Key Australia. You know, I've had them for about a couple of years now, but I never remember their name, and I don't think they actually do this particular style, but they are also similar that, you know, they all do these reflective different color lenses. My car continues to surprise me. So this is, you know, first cold season in this car, and what I've noticed that when I get into it in the morning, if it's cold, the heated seats come on and my steering wheel heats up, which is amazing. I still got a bit of cold. I'm like at the end of it now, but fed up with it. I've had it for 2 weeks now. I haven't felt bad with it, you know, just the usual runny nose and a bit of coughing, but other than that, it's just annoying. So I'm having my fillers today, hopefully, if she doesn't cancel on me again. So I've decided that I will do like a short video and vlog about it and tell you about my experience separately. So look out for that later on this week. I'm really excited. Okay, my lovely, so I see if I can vlog a bit in a shop. I hate it. I have such respect for the vloggers that they just run around with cameras anywhere and talk to themselves. I feel so embarrassed and weird and a bit dodgy, but I might try to do it with my phone just to show you around. I'm sure they are going to have already some Christmas stuff out, so yeah, I will try. Okay, so I'm back. Oh, I was so good. There was so many beautiful things, Christmas decorations, and I really wanted to buy some. Oh, you don't know how much it hurts. And I could have, but I know I don't need anything. I'm sure I will still buy stuff later on, but I was trying to be very good. So basically, I didn't buy anything that exciting. I bought a lovely soft blanket because I love in the winter, you know, to sit all cozy on a sofa while watching TV. So I got that. I basically spent money on my dog. I bought Louis 2 toys. He loves toys. He gets so excited like a kid, honestly, when he has a new toy. Whenever I come back home from shopping and I have a bag, he wants to have a look because he thinks that I bought him a toy. So yeah, I got him, I think this is a reindeer and a little dinosaur. I bought Louis poo bags. Oh, I bought a it's very big. I bought a bath mat, white bath mat. Have to buy them quite often because, you know, they get a bit mucky and even when you wash them they don't look white anymore. I bought a dry shampoo from Percy and Reed. Why not? It smells gorgeous, by the way. And then I bought 2 candles. I am beyond excited. So this one is white pumpkin. It's from DW Home. It's got a nice beige top. It's got 3 wicks. Oh, it smells lovely. And look at this one. This is Parks London Aromatherapy. Look how huge is this candle, and it was only £29.99 for that huge candle. And it's got 4 wicks in it. It's vanilla. Oh, I am so excited. You know, we pay here, you know, I love my Bath and Body Works, and when I buy them here wherever I can get them from people, I pay like £22 just for that one, and that was £29. So that's all I've bought. Not very exciting, is it? But I saw so many beautiful things, Christmas decorations. I must stop thinking about it. Okay, my lovelies, I am going to go soon to have my fillers done. I haven't checked my phone. Hopefully she hasn't cancelled. So I will see you later on this week and we will talk about the fillers. Have a fabulous week. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.